Understanding secondary sources, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important concept in research and academic writing: secondary sources. Understanding this will help you greatly in your studies and when you come across various types of information. Let's dive in. Secondary sources are materials that discuss, interpret, analyze, or summarize information from primary sources. Examples include books, articles, documentaries, and reviews. They are one step removed from the original event or information, which is directly captured in primary sources like diaries, interviews, or historical documents. Secondary sources are characterized by analysis or interpretation. They provide an author's insight into the primary source material. Distance from the event. They are created after primary sources and often rely on them for information. Diverse perspectives. They offer various viewpoints on a topic, which can differ from the primary source. Secondary sources are crucial for understanding context. They help understand the broader context of a topic. Developing critical thinking. Analyzing different interpretations fosters critical thinking skills. Academic research. They are extensively used in academic writing to support arguments. Some common examples include a book about World War II. Primary source would be a soldier's diary. A documentary about climate change. Primary source would be scientific data. An academic article reviewing a novel. Primary source would be the novel itself. I hope this video helped clarify what secondary sources are and why they're important in research and learning. Remember, recognizing the type of source you're reading or citing is key to a better understanding of any subject. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.